Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now run all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter. This will stop the Windows update service. Then run the second command. This will rename software distribution folder. Now run the third command. This will restart Windows update service. Once done, you can run the last command. This will create a new software distribution folder. And once this is done, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, again set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, find app readiness. Somewhere at the top you will find app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then make a right click, click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry, try to install the update again and then check. Still not working, then go to Windows Update, and here you can see pause update option. Hit pause, and once the update is paused, click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working. Next step is to run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy all the commands one by one, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or the other update. Click on search and check your Windows version first. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2, and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on the update, that is KB5089573, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install the update manually, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Close all third-party applications. So when you are updating your Windows 11, if you have any other services application running, close everything. If that does not work, close all. Like if you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then try again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. And click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these two updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.